See, like you mentioned, when you said, like, at that age, I didn't know what to speak, or like I was suffering, or whatever you said, antandala.
No, I was just motor mouth. ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ರೇಡಿಯೋಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದೆ ನಾನು.
Okay. But do you think so? That doesn't work with everyone, Antana. Probably it just worked with you.
I don't know, Mayura. I honestly don't know. I mean, at that time, it was fresh. It was different.
Yeah.
Because what I did was, ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಜನ ಈಗ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡೋದು, ನಾನು ಆ ಜಗಳ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು.
Probably the observation skills.
Yeah. Like for example, ಯಾರೋ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರ ಜೊತೆ ಜಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ನೀನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀನು ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗ ನಿನ್ನ ಮುಖ ನೋಡ್ಕೋ and all of that stuff, right? I took all that stuff on the radio. Right? And it is a Hindi radio station. But my prank calls are a mix of
Urdu, Hindi, Kannada, English, broken English, like whatever, the butler English.
But that's because of the environment that I've grown up in. Like a lot of people keep asking me, how do you know this? How do you know that? How do you get this language? How do you get that language? And I'm like, I grew up in a certain environment, and I think your environment shape you to becoming the person that you are. And I feel like with all of that, I picked it up and I just took it to the radio, and I'm glad that so many people connected with it and said, this is great. Because if there's one thing that I've learned, especially in this business, the one thing that I've learned is you can do what you have to do.
Correct.
But eventually it's the audience that decide whether they like it or they don't like it, whether they want to share it or they don't want to share it. Be it a movie, be it a film, be it a small video that you do on Instagram or an interview or anything, right? Eventually the audience picks it up.
I tell the same thing, like how much ever you spend on a film promotion or anything, no matter what, on the very first day, be it like 100 crore you have spent, so 1 crore film, no matter what, on the very first day of the Friday show, after that, whatever the verdict which people give, so irrespective of whatever, like we have come over years, the word of mouth concept, what they say, that only decides the success of the film.
Absolutely.
ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಯೂರ ಅಂತ ಮೇನ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಪೂರಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಷ್ಟ ಆದರೆ ಶೇರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಿ.